Hey everyone, I had a meltdown. A few videos ago, I made this faceted mold and it was really pretty. I thought it would be cool to see what it would look like if we just did layers. Like I'm just gonna record this over a series of sessions with, when I have extra resin, we're gonna come in and do a different layer with the reverse alcohol ink. I already had some red in there, but my bottle went haywire on me, so I had to get a different one. I'm gonna bring you down for the money shot. This is mostly probably gonna be a quick one, and we'll probably end up speeding through a lot of it. It's gonna be a whole lot of pouring action. I hope so. Don't look at that back there. Seriously, just don't. That's none of your business. And what we'll do is we'll just let this cure, and then we'll come back and throw in another color. And we'll just keep repeating until it's full. Okay, I'm just gonna let it stop there because I can already see it coming up and I don't want the red to just take over. So we're gonna leave that and we'll come back with, I guess, orange. Yeah, we're following the rainbow in this one. Okay, be back. Okay, let's do yellow. I lost the footage for orange. Sorry. I'm going to put quite a bit in here because yellow tends to just disappear. Ready? Here we go. We'll be back and we'll do green. Alright, let's do green. Hopefully this doesn't turn it all into baby poop brown. It might end up looking a little browny there where the butterfly is, because the colors are layering and staying there, but they're individually going down on the sides. So we shouldn't have too much of a problem. It doesn't look pretty. Alright, did we get there? We did. For the most part. See, what a mistake that I made was when because I only used like a little bit of resin, so I should have pushed the colors down or forced them to go down, and I was letting them sit, and so it got kind of browny. That's what happens when you mix all the primaries together. Don't do it. Well, learn from my mistake. Don't do it. It's still really pretty though. It doesn't look quite as brown when you hold it up to the light. Of course, holding it up to the light's goofy because who does that? Who holds it up to the light? Anyway. And also another thing I had to do is throw a little clear coat onto that because the whole inlay feature was matte when I did it. I had to just add a whole clear coat to it in general because part of it is still matte. I need to make a new mold using this one as the master, and then the whole thing will come out shiny. But even still, it still came out pretty cute. There we are in a white background, which probably filling it in with a white background probably wouldn't be horrible. But anyway, I just wanted to do this one again. That was a fun one. Everybody loves rainbows, especially my niece Jenny, so we'll probably be shipping this one off to her as usual. She can add it to her collection. If you got this far into the video, as always, appreciate you watching. Hope you learned something. I don't know what. Hope you try something. Till next time, folks. Bye.